All right. Okay. Time to trade. What's going on, everybody? It's Jason. Trying to see if we can catch something. Sorry, I'm playing some King Wolves right now. Yeah. So it looks like we got some stuff at 7 o'clock coming up. This would have been a good entry candle if we had our green background, but we don't have it, so I'm not going to enter. I'm going to check out right here too, so we can get an entry over here. Gonna buy on up close right here. If we lose, we lose. And it's gonna be a short stream. I do feel weird today on days like this. Just feel weird. I moved it to break even. Break even trade. Let me take a look at that page one more time, because I think one of those is, oops. I think one of those was red folder news. Yeah, it's PMI. Yeah, PMI today. Long-term uptrend. Just swept the low of the day and the what's it called, the open. That's probably where most traders are trading, or what you call it, putting their liquidity ideal zones or whatever. I think this is a great time for it to go back up. We'll see. Distracted there, but it was a good spot. Oof. That wasn't a good move. Let's see if I can get back in actually. Oh, never never mind. It would have been probably a break-even trade. Nah. I'm good. Let's not chase it. What I almost did there was I got so much FOMO and build up right there that I almost made a really bad decision. Oops. Common trader mistake, man. You just gotta live with your choices sometimes. I chose to move my stop to break even. That should just be it. Technically, this one is actually a different strategy on this screen. I'm waiting for the market to have pretty much these exact conditions right here. You know, needs these little steps right there in order for it to be valid. Mm-hmm. This would have been a valid entry, but just didn't get it. But yeah, like I mentioned before, well, let's hold on for a second so we can see if we get a good opportunity here or over here. See if we go a little bit deeper. I know we don't have the green background here, but sometimes it within a trend like this, it'll come back in. And we still have it over here. Alright, so it's coming up on the VWAP. Just gotta be careful. See, it's finding resistance right at that VWAP. So it might be another break even, is what I'm saying. Yeah. See? Right there, you know. This would be a decent time to get back in, but what I want to do, what I want to see is I want to see it clear the VWAP. You know. Yeah, a VWAP, man. We're gonna have to edit her out. I don't want y'all to. I want y'all to see my lady. I'm down to go for another buy here, even though it's at the view up. You know, because we got a full retracement off of it. Technically, whatever liquidity was right there was taken. That's like I said, I like to rationalize in my head some of this stuff. So let's just see. This line has just kind of officially went under. When I force sell, I don't really like to sell that much, but let's see. Once this one closes down, if we lose, we lose. And then we'll hold off for a PMI after, you know, might just close early here. It's in a little stasis. All right, early stream. Yeah, I didn't like the sell there, but you know, I mean, it is what it is. Oh. Got our break even. And then if we're gonna look for another trade, we're just gonna wait till after 7, like around 7:05 or so, just because it's PMI, you know. That could mean like we get 8 up, and I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna start trailing this. Just in case we see like it to be like a massive trend down. I kind of resolved myself to start trailing more because it's good to trail. That's good, you can get way more off of little. I want to take a sip of water, but I want to be able to capture more profits if it goes further down. All right, we're done for the day. Yeah, pretty solid. So boom. Let me just show you guys. Real quick. How do I pull that back up? Yeah. Boom. These are all performance accounts. I have not bought any more performance accounts as of yet. I didn't know this, but Lucid's different from like Apex and stuff. You can, let me see. Lucid's different from Apex and stuff. You can take profit just after 5 days if you're, as long as on a 50K, as long as it's over $150 that you've made on an individual account. That's awesome to me. I mean, I've always hated these little minimum buffers. I hate those. I think that's way better. Just hey, be consistent for 5 days, and you can, and you can you can trade all you want. It's cool. I'm done, guys. PMI is about to happen. I'm straight. Yep. This has been Jason with Black Oath. Black Oath Capital. See you tomorrow.